Hi, my name is Lisa Fratelli, and I'm doing the Prove It Challenge with Shaklee, and you should too. What's in this box? This is the box you will get. In it, obviously I'm outside, I'm not going to open it. Should I open it? What you will get is, for the first 7 days, you will do the cleanse. And this is the cleanse. Actually, if you paid for this, the cleanse is included in it, and it's free, but it normally would cost you $47. The whole kit is $159. And the thing is, you will feel amazing in 30 days or your money back. So the first 7 days you'll do the cleanse, and then day 8 through 30, you will take these wonderful supplements that will change your life and make you feel amazing. There they are. And you will drink in the morning with your supplements the most delicious smoothie mixes I've ever had, and I've had a lot of different stuff. Is Life Shake. This is chocolate soy. I love this stuff. It is amazing. It's delicious. And so when you do this, you have better gut health. When I was sick with mold toxins twice in my life, I couldn't think straight. That's the truth. I wrote a book about it called Your Sugar Knows. You can get it at www.sugarknows.com. But this will help you get better gut health. Better gut health will give you better thinking. Better thinking leads to clarity about your life. Clarity will give you great results because you'll take action. And action and results will lead to happiness. And happiness leads to heaven on earth. It is simple. We complicate things way too much. Simplify your life. Whatever you're taking now, I guarantee it is not like Shaklee. Shaklee is 100 years old. They stand by their product. This is a money-back guarantee. You will feel amazing no matter who you are or what you've been doing up to this point. You'll feel better. You'll think better. I can attest to that because I take this stuff every day. I love it. So take the challenge with me. Go to our website, pws.shaklee.com/real deal. Shaklee's the real deal. Get the real deal. Take the challenge.